If you save on gas, you'll have more money for other things. That's why today I'm covering the easiest and best ways that I found to save money on gas. I know how quickly the cost of gas can add up, and these hacks have saved me hundreds of dollars on gas every year, and I'm excited to share them with you so that after this video, you will too. Hey guys, I'm Carrie and I've teamed up with Upside to share personal finance tips and smarter ways to save and earn. If you're like me and you're tired of spending a fortune on gas every single month, this video is for you. So I used to commute to work every single day and now I'm a digital nomad, but because I drive around a lot, gas is still one of my biggest expenses. And with these hacks, I end up saving a ton of money. So the average American spends $150 to $200 per month on gas. And with gas prices drastically changing year to year, it's more important than ever to make sure that you're not overspending at the pump, especially if you drive for a living like for Uber or Lyft or commute to work. All right, let's dive in, or should I say drive in. Long-term savings on gas really add up when you make just a couple of changes to your driving habits, which of course will also help you when you're running out of gas and you don't want to get stuck on the side of the road. The way you drive impacts your fuel efficiency, aka miles per gallon. Something that I do is always to check my miles per gallon gauge on my dashboard and watch where the scale goes when I drive at different speeds. When your miles per gallon number is high, that means your fuel efficiency is high. You're getting more miles per each gallon of gas. But you gotta drive, so you can't look at that meter all the time. So there's some general best practices to not waste gas on the road. According to the US Department of Energy, fuel economy is the highest between 35 and 60 miles per hour. When we go over 60 miles per hour, fuel efficiency drops, costing us an extra 24 cents per gallon. This may seem small, but think about it. It adds up. And you're not even conscious of it. So when you don't need to speed, don't. And you'll probably notice that you won't need to fill up as often. But traffic flow does affect this too. The more you idle in traffic, the more gas you'll burn. Some cars waste up to half a gallon of gas per hour of idling. So I always avoid driving during rush hour as much as I can. Obviously, that's not possible for millions of people who have to commute every day or drive to work. But if you do have the option, avoid driving between 7 and 10 a.m. and between 4 and 7 p.m. When I'm running low on gas on the highway, I turn on cruise control as much as possible. It maintains my speed so that I'm not constantly accelerating or decelerating, which saves a ton of gas. I also try to keep my windows open when it's really nice out instead of turning on the AC, because on average, AC lowers fuel efficiency by 3 miles per gallon. The other thing I want to mention is weight. The more weight, more gas. So if you still haven't unloaded your suitcases from your last trip, it could be costing you. Weight can decrease fuel efficiency anywhere between 2 to 25% depending on the weight. If you drive for a living with rideshare or delivery apps or trucking, check out my latest video on how to maximize your earnings linked in the description. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our future videos with more money saving tips. Another way I save money on gas is at the pump. Before I fuel up, I do what the pros do, which is look on the Upside Cashback app to explore the cashback offers near me. You can get up to 25 cents per gallon cashback, and you can earn a bonus 25 cents per gallon cashback if you sign up for the app with the code YouTube. Frequent users of Upside earn an average of $340 per year, which is why millions of Uber, Lyft, and truck drivers use the app. I always look up gas stations in the Upside app first because I know I can earn 25 cents per gallon versus just saving a few cents by finding the cheapest one around me. I then pick the gas station that's most convenient and with the highest cashback offer, pump up, pay as usual, and then you'll see cash back in your account in which you can cash out from your bank and his PayPal or a gift card. You won't really have issues finding an Upside partner because they are partnered with over 30,000 locations across the country, including Shell, Conoco, Circle K, Phillips 66, BP, and many, many more. And in case you didn't know, Shell, BP, and ExxonMobil all have fuel reward programs that you can sign up for, and then you can earn and use your loyalty rewards on top of your Upside cashback offers. So altogether, you save and earn even more. I'll show you exactly what I do in a bit. So speaking of reward programs though, grocery stores like Safeway, Kroger, and Albertsons all have reward programs where you can earn points on groceries that then you can use to get money off on gas. I shop at Kroger and I've gotten up to $1 per gallon off at the Kroger gas station before. And of course, you always have the option to use apps like Gas Buddy to compare gas prices near you. If you haven't used Gas Buddy before, they show you which gas stations have the lowest prices, and they even offer a credit card that allows you to earn even more cash back when you combine it with Upside. And did you know another way to save money on gas is by paying cash? A lot of gas stations stations advertise a cheaper price on their billboards. And that's because credit card companies add a 3% surcharge that falls on the merchants, in which they pass on to customers who use a credit card. And I always make sure to screw the gas cap all the way on until it clicks. If you don't close it all the way properly, you can lose up to 30 gallons of gas just from it evaporating out of the tank. That's over $100 that you just wasted. So screw it on tight, y'all. Before we get into the next step, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start saving on gas. I know I don't know everything, so please share other tips that you have with us below. All right, so at the end of the day, you only can save so much on gas without going full electric. And that's why I always drive as efficiently as possible, whenever possible, and use cashback reward apps like Upside to earn money on top of loyalty programs and what you're already spending. Here's what I do. So I'm signed up for the Shell Loyalty Rewards program, which saves me 5 to 10 cents per gallon. And then I go on the Upside app and find the Shell station with the highest cashback offer, which I know can give me up to 25 cents per gallon cashback. And I've gotten that before, for real. And then I have my highest cashback credit card linked to my Upside wallet. And after I pay and fuel up, I get cashback from my credit card too. So I'm earning and saving a total of up to 35 cents per gallon. And I earn points on my credit card that gives me even more cashback for buying the gas in the first place. And speaking of cashback credit cards, check out my new video on the best cashback credit cards that you can use to earn even more on gas. And everything else too. And if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our videos on other money-saving tips. All right, now, if you haven't yet, go download the free Upside app and use the code YouTube to get an extra 25 cents per gallon cash back on your first fuel up. And if you want to learn more about how to get cash back on gas, restaurants, and groceries with Upside, go watch this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy saving and happy earning. Bye, y'all. See you next time.